In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of adding a digital product to your Squarespace store. If you're new to Squarespace or just looking to fine-tune your skills, you've come to the right place. We'll break it down into simple, digestible steps so you can manage your inventory like a pro. First, let's head over to the Squarespace website. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log in if you haven't already. Your login page will prompt you to enter your credentials, and once that's sorted, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your Squarespace account. The dashboard is your control center for managing your site, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you're not already comfortable. Our next step involves navigating to the Products and Services section. You can find this in the main navigation pane on your Squarespace dashboard. Clicking on Products and Services reveals a drop-down menu where you'll see a variety of options related to managing your inventory. Here, you'll want to select Products. Clicking Products will bring you to a new page dedicated to managing all the items you have or plan to have in your online store. Once there, look for an option labeled Add Product. This feature is your gateway to bringing new items into your store's inventory. Clicking this button will open up several options for you to choose from. Squarespace offers flexibility by allowing you to select different categories of products you can offer. Whether it's an ebook, design templates, or any other form of digital media, consider what your customers are looking for and what best aligns with your store's offerings. As you explore these options, spend some time thinking about how you plan to categorize your products to make them as accessible as possible for your audience. Aligning your selections with customer interests can significantly improve user experience on your site. And there you have it. Simply click Done once you've made your selections and organized everything to your liking. By following these steps, you've successfully added a digital product to your Squarespace store, making it ready for customers to view and purchase. Remember, constantly reviewing the products you offer and taking customer feedback into account will not only refine the quality of your inventory, but also boost customer satisfaction. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to check out our channel for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.